If you've been looking for a simple way to organize your browser and keep all your related tabs in one place, then this tutorial is going to help you a lot. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable tab groups in Mozilla Firefox step by step, so you can start managing your tabs more efficiently and make your browsing much cleaner and easier to navigate. If you find this helpful, please take a second to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, make sure your Firefox browser is fully updated. This is important because newer features like tab groups may not be available in older versions of Firefox, so updating ensures you can access the latest settings and improvements. Once that's done, open Mozilla Firefox on your computer like you normally would. Now click inside the address bar at the top of the window and type about config, then press enter on your keyboard. This will take you to Firefox's advanced configuration page, where you can control deeper browser settings. If you see a warning message telling you that changing advanced preferences can affect performance or security, don't worry. Just continue to the configuration page so you can access the settings you need. Once you're on the about.config page, you'll see a search box labeled search preference name. In that box, type Browser.Tabs.Groups.Enabled. This is the preference that controls whether tab groups are turned on in Firefox. After you type it in, look at the result that appears below. If the current value is set to false, that means tab groups are turned off right now. To enable them, simply click the toggle button so the value changes from false to true. As soon as you do that, the feature should be enabled in Firefox. At that point, you can begin using tab groups to organize tabs by topic, separate work and personal browsing, or keep projects neatly grouped together. It's a small change, but it can make a huge difference if you usually work with a lot of open tabs at once. And that's it. You've now enabled tab groups in Mozilla Firefox using the advanced configuration settings. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy browser tips, software guides, and productivity tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.